Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix your Steam cannot connect to network. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is right click on the network tab on the bottom and click on network and internet settings and head into Ethernet. This is where you want to look for DNS server assignment. Click on edit and turn it from automatic to manual. Turn on IPv4. Preferred DNS should be set to 8.8.8.8 and then alternate DNS should be set to 8.8.4.8, just like that, and then simply go ahead and save it. It should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you might need to go ahead and clear cache. Now simply press Windows R and then exactly type what I have typed, which is percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK, and this is where you want to find the Steam folder, and you can completely delete this folder's insides. So once you do that, your problem should be fixed. However, if it still isn't, then you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.